Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Marci Howdyshell, COSI Director of Science Content. Given the COVID-19 pandemic and Ohio's current stay-at-home order, I'm filming this video from home. We at COSI are still committed to providing you all with great science content, and we're working collaboratively to do so in a safe manner, keeping social distancing guidelines in mind. For this week's Science Now, I'm excited to share with you all some information about efforts being made in Central Ohio to provide protection for our healthcare workers who are working out on the front lines. The COVID-19 crisis has caused a shortage of personal protective equipment, or PPE, which healthcare workers need to keep themselves safe while treating patients. PPE can include gloves, gowns, goggles, and face masks. And to help solve the problem, people from around the world are utilizing rapid prototyping, otherwise known as 3D printing. Here in Central Ohio, a nonprofit called Form 5 Prosthetics has joined the effort. They're using their printers to create face shields through a custom, intuitive design. Since its founding in 2017, Form 5 has maintained its mission of producing eco-friendly 3D printed prosthetics for those in need. Its founder, Westbrook, who is one of our inaugural COSI Science Festival STEM stars, views 3D printing as a valuable tool.
I think science opens the door for kind of a solution-based mindset. And I think once having that on display of everyone and what they're doing, the problems that they've faced and overcome and even created solutions for, I think that's very powerful and meaningful and really showing them what is possible through science.
Form 5 Prosthetics and others around the world are using plastics like acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, the kind of plastic used in Legos, and polyethylene, the world's most commonly used plastic, to create face shields that can help prevent infection. Bioplastics like polylactic acid are also being used, although there is some concern about how well they'll hold up to clinical procedures and sterilization processes. Bioplastics are usually corn-based and designed to be biodegradable. While 3D printing is certainly an innovative way of producing PPE, it is not intended for mass production. Each face shield requires a print time of an hour or even a few hours depending on the type of machine being used. However, during this time of need, anything helps, and anyone who owns a 3D printer could contribute to the effort. Here at my house, we have used our 3D printer and Form 5's design to create 15 face shields so far, which we're going to send to Form 5 Prosthetics to donate. So if you're an educator, a fabricator, or a hobbyist with access to a 3D printer, your help is needed, and you can visit form5prostheticsinc.org to inquire about getting involved. It's important to remember that at this time, any PPE donations can be a tremendous help to our frontline medical workers. According to the Ohio Department of Health, caring for a COVID-19 patient in intensive care for just 24 hours requires 36 pairs of gloves, 14 gowns, 3 pairs of goggles, and 13 face masks. If you have any such items to donate, please contact together@governor.ohio.gov. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. And for more information on COSI, Columbus, Ohio's Center of Science and Industry, visit cosi.org.